about 350.
Okay, the other story is the telecom tariff hike, which has taken place at the entry level. So earlier today in the morning, we learned that Bharti Airtel has gone ahead and hiked the minimum recharge plan in 2 circles, Maharashtra and Kerala. So the earlier minimum entry level plan, the cheapest 2G plan, was 99 rupees. Now it's been increased by a massive 56% to 155 rupees. And the company, Bharti Airtel, has been doing this over the last couple of months. India has 22 circles, and with the latest tariff hike at the lower end, the tariffs have gone up in 19 out of the 22 circles. Now, that's the news, right? And we spoke about it in the morning. What we are trying to highlight is the extent of entry-level tariff increases that we've seen in the last three and a half years. So the first big tariff hike took place in November, December of 2019. At that time, the company discontinued that 35 rupee plan and said the cheapest plan is 49 rupee. Then in July of 2021, that 49 rupee plan became 79 rupees. Immediately, 6 months later, that 79 rupee plan became a 99 rupee plan. And as I said, over the course of the last couple of months, the minimum plan is now 155 rupees, which basically means from November, December of 2019, if the cheapest entry-level plan was 35 rupees, it's now increased to 155 rupees. Of course, the company has thrown in a lot more benefits while increasing the tariff there, but 35 to 155 rupees at the entry level is an increase of 340%. At the same time, now if I compare it to the higher priced plans, right? And there are multiple plans that telecom companies offer, but broadly, in December of 2019, tariffs roughly went up by 25%. And then in December of 2021, it went up by 20%, which basically means in the same period, the higher price plans have gone up by 50%. So entry level tariffs are up 340% in 3.5 years, while the higher level tariffs are up 50%. So one would question, right? What explains this kind of disparity? The reason is Reliance Jio is not present in 2G. They started their service with 4G. So here Bharti Airtel doesn't have too much competition. So even if they go ahead and increase the 2G tariff price, it's not that they would lose the subscribers to Reliance Jio. They would lose it to Vodafone Idea, but Vodafone Idea too has been going ahead and increasing the tariffs. So that explains the two differences. Now about this Bharti's recent tariff hike, the hike that we spoke about today, how should you interpret it? Well, it's important. It's a step in the right direction. They're walking the talk on tariff hikes, but it's not very material. According to brokerages, the benefit of upping that entry-level tariff plan from 99 to 155 rupees is less than 2% on the top line. A, because lower end subscribers don't necessarily top up every month. They may choose to take a break, in 1 month. 2, there is also some churn. Now remember, in this recent tariff hike, Vodafone Idea has not gone ahead and upped it. So maybe Bharti Airtel loses some 2G subscribers to Vodafone Idea. And also, in terms of the overall revenue contribution, as I said, it's not too much, less than 2%. The bigger impact, the bigger trigger will be when Bharti Airtel takes a 4G tariff hike for either the prepaid customers or even for postpaid customers, which are the more lucrative segment. And between the two, they would contribute close to about 20% to the overall top line. So that's the big sum and substance of what's happened in telecom.
All right, Reema, thanks a lot for filling us in with all of the details there. But another space that we're looking at